This camper van feels too good to be true. Luxury, full motorhome comfort, and intelligent design, all within a compact footprint that promises effortless driving and everyday usability. The Showzone X550 challenges expectations, blending innovation with refinement in a way that feels almost impossible at first glance. It is not simply about fitting features inside a van. It is about redefining what compact luxury truly means. From the first approach, the proportions immediately communicate balance and intention. Measuring 5.99 meters in length and 2.1 meters in width, with a total weight of 3,500 kilograms, the X550 occupies that sweet spot where freedom meets functionality. It remains compact enough to drive through narrow European streets or busy urban environments, yet substantial enough to house genuine motorhome amenities without compromise. Beneath it all sits a well-engineered chassis designed to support both comfort and capability. The 16-inch alloy wheels add both strength and aesthetic sophistication. They fill the arches perfectly, contributing to stability while reinforcing that premium, road-ready presence. Every detail, down to the wheel finish, feels considered rather than incidental. Power delivery is smooth and composed, tuned to provide confidence whether cruising highways or navigating mountain roads. The driving experience is where the X550 truly surprises. From behind the wheel, it feels closer to a refined large car than a bulky motorhome. Steering is precise. Road noise is controlled. Acceleration is confident without feeling aggressive. At 3,500 kilograms, it remains within a category that allows wide accessibility for drivers, while maintaining reassuring solidity on the road. Maneuverability is one of its greatest strengths. At just under 6 meters, parking becomes far less intimidating compared to larger motorhomes. Urban parking spaces, tight coastal villages, and scenic roadside pull-offs become realistic options. This is a vehicle designed to integrate into real life, not demand that life adapt to it. Access points are thoughtfully positioned. The main habitation door opens smoothly, revealing a carefully insulated interior beyond. Windows are strategically placed to maximize natural light while maintaining privacy. They are not simply aesthetic elements. They are carefully engineered openings that manage airflow, light, and thermal efficiency. Storage compartments are discreet yet practical. External access points allow you to reach essential systems without stepping inside. The toilet cassette is positioned for straightforward removal and servicing, reflecting the brand's understanding of real-world ownership. It is not glamorous, but it is essential, and here, it is handled with thoughtful simplicity. Every exterior choice of the X550 speaks of intention and care, compact yet uncompromising, refined yet purposeful. Its flush-fitting windows and contoured panels cut through the wind, making every journey calm and effortless, while crosswinds barely disturb its composure. Open the door, and the transformation is immediate. Step inside the X550 for the first time, and the sense of space feels almost deceptive. From the exterior, it promises practicality. Inside, it delivers atmosphere. The materials, textures, and lighting create an environment that feels composed and inviting. It is not flashy. It is quietly luxurious. The insulation immediately reveals itself in silence. Close the door, and the outside world softens. Conversations become intimate. The environment feels controlled. This acoustic refinement elevates the experience from simple travel to true retreat. Headroom is generous, allowing movement without constraint. Light flows in from multiple windows, reflecting softly off the cabinetry and seating surfaces. The color palette is modern and calming, designed to prevent visual fatigue over extended stays. The seating and dining area forms the heart of the living space. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, designed for both long drives and relaxed evenings. Subtle Velcro placement on the back of the seats adds a practical detail, ensuring stability and ease of maintenance without disrupting the visual harmony. It is a small engineering choice, but one that reflects attention to everyday usability. At the center, the electric dining table glides smoothly into position at the press of a button located conveniently in the kitchen area. This small detail transforms the experience. No manual lifting, no cuerda adjustments, just effortless conversion between dining, workspace, and relaxation zone. It reinforces the sense that this motorhome prioritizes comfort not just in theory, but in interaction. Move into the kitchen area, and functionality blends seamlessly with design. The layout is intuitive. Work surfaces are positioned to maximize usable space while maintaining clear pathways through the cabin. Storage compartments open with reassuring solidity. Everything has its place. The power automatic fridge operates quietly and efficiently, adapting to power sources with minimal intervention. Its automation simplifies travel logistics, allowing you to focus less on systems and more on experience. Appliances feel integrated rather than inserted, maintaining the visual flow of cabinetry and surfaces. Cooking inside the X550 feels natural. Lighting above the workspace is soft yet practical, ensuring visibility without harsh glare. Ventilation systems manage airflow effectively, keeping the environment fresh even during extended use. This is a kitchen designed not merely for weekend convenience, but for genuine daily living. The bathroom introduces one of the most impressive innovations, a three-way design that adapts intelligently to space constraints. It reconfigures to provide distinct zones for showering, washing, and toilet use. This flexibility allows the compact footprint to deliver functionality typically reserved for much larger motorhomes. Storage within the bathroom is thoughtfully arranged, ensuring toiletries and essentials remain organized and accessible. Surfaces are easy to maintain, resisting moisture while preserving a refined aesthetic. The shower experience feels surprisingly spacious, aided by clever partitioning and water management systems that prevent compromise. Further inside, the sleeping area continues the theme of intelligent transformation. The electric bed descends smoothly at the touch of a button, again located conveniently within the kitchen control area. This placement centralizes control and simplifies operation. By day, the space remains open and social. By night, it transforms into a private retreat. Throughout the interior, storage solutions are integrated seamlessly. Overhead cabinets follow the curvature of the ceiling, maximizing capacity without creating visual heaviness. Hidden compartments make efficient use of underseat areas. Drawers glide smoothly, reinforcing the impression of quality craftsmanship. Technology is present, but never overwhelming. Control panels are positioned logically, offering intuitive access to lighting, heating, and electrical systems. The integration feels modern yet simple, clear enough for new owners, sophisticated enough for experienced travelers. What becomes clear after spending time inside is that the X550 is not about novelty. It is about balance. Every moving component, from the electric table to the descending bed, serves a functional purpose. There is no theatrical complexity. Instead, there is calm precision. This is the true achievement of the X550. It balances car-like mobility with genuine motorhome luxury. At 5.99 meters, it remains approachable and easy to drive. At the same time, it delivers a real kitchen, a real bathroom, a comfortable electric bed, and thoughtful storage solutions that support extended living. Price sits confidently between $75,000 and $80,000, positioning it as a premium yet attainable option for those seeking high-end comfort without entering six-figure territory. In a market where larger often claims to be better, the X550 quietly proves that intelligence matters more than size. It stands as a reminder that luxury is not defined by square meters alone, but by how intelligently those meters are used.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and information about RVs, motorhomes, and life on the road.